Hello everyone. As we all know, the Earth is the only planet in the solar system that supports the life. Of course, the position of the Earth in the solar system is one reason why the life is possible here. Apart from that, there are some elements on the surface of the Earth which makes the life sustainable here. In this video, we are going to learn about these elements under the major domains of the Earth. There are four major domains of the Earth: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. Let us check these domains one by one. The first domain of the Earth is lithosphere. Lithosphere is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the Earth. It is made up of rocks and minerals, and it is covered with a thin layer of the soil. It comprises various landforms like mountains, plains, plateaus, and so on. And these landforms can be found both on the continents and the surface of the ocean floors. How lithosphere is helpful for the life to exist? Let us check. Lithosphere is the domain of the Earth where we can build houses, we can stand, we can walk, run, and so on. Can we imagine the presence of the Earth without the lithosphere? Obviously no. Apart from that, lithosphere also provides us with forests, grasslands for grazing, land for agriculture and human settlement, and it also provides us mineral wealth. Now let us check the second domain of the Earth, that is hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is the domain of water. It comprises various water sources and the different types of water bodies like oceans, seas, rivers, ponds, etc. It has water in all its various forms like ice, liquid water, and water vapor. We know that the Earth is known as the blue planet because 71% of the Earth is covered with water. So we can say that hydrosphere is the predominant domain of the Earth. Water is essential for all the living beings to be alive. Though hydrosphere is the predominant domain of the Earth, only a small proportion of water is available as fresh water, as larger proportion of water is present in oceans which is saline and in the form of ice in ice sheets and glaciers. So there is a need for all of us to save water. Let us check the third domain of the Earth, that is atmosphere. Atmosphere is the gaseous layer of air surrounding the Earth. The Earth's gravitational force holds the atmosphere. It protects us from the harmful UV rays of the sun, and it also provides us air for breathing. It comprises various gases like nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, argon, neon, and so on. These gases are very helpful for us. Nitrogen and oxygen are the major gases, together make 99% of the atmosphere. Nitrogen is helpful for the growth of all the living beings, including the plants. Oxygen is considered as the breath of life. Carbon dioxide, though it is present in the minute amount, is helpful as it absorbs the heat which is radiated from the Earth and keeps the planet Earth warmer. It is also helpful for the plants during the process of photosynthesis, the process where the plants make their food. The fourth domain of the Earth is biosphere. Biosphere is the narrow zone of the Earth where land, water, and air interact with each other, which are interdependent and also dependent upon their surroundings. The relation between the organisms and their surroundings is what is known as ecosystem. Biosphere is also very helpful for the life to exist because biosphere provides food for the living beings. These are the four major domains of the earth. The absence of any of these domains of the earth may result in the absence of the life on the earth.